Will my family and friends be involved in my injury case? Want to know what I'm getting at here? Stay with me as I share with you this very important information. Hello, I'm Marcus Boston, and I'm a medical malpractice and childbirth injury attorney practicing law here in the state of Maryland. And I would like to quickly talk with you today about the role of your family and friends potentially in your injury case. All right, I'm going to back up and give you a little bit of foundation as to why or how this can come up. In a lot of injury cases, be it a car crash case or a slip and fall case, any type of injury case, there can be issues or arguments back and forth as to how hurt you are or how injured the plaintiff is. And a lot of times, if you just use some common sense, the defense is going to be pushing forth a theory that you're probably not as injured as you say you are. This is a big issue in a lot of injury cases. Not all cases, but a lot of cases, this can play a role. This argument can kind of creep into the case. And I would like to talk with you today about a way in which you can combat that, or a way in which your family and friends can actually play a role in being able to give an opinion or being able to testify and give an explanation as to what you are going through. And we use this through what we call before and after witnesses. And a lot of times these can be either family members or these can be friends, co-workers, people like this. And the role that they play is they can give testimony, direct testimony as to what they have seen with this person. So let's say, for example, you have an individual who was a part of a bowling league. Yeah, that's right, was part of a bowling team, bowled a couple of times a month and was in a club and had won championships and all of this. And this particular person was the anchor. This particular person was very good for the team, knocking them down, strikes, all of this stuff. And let's now say that this person has suffered an injury. Let's say they've suffered a back injury, and this injury has been devastating to them. And now all of a sudden, they can't bowl anymore. Or when they try to bowl, it's just not there anymore. They're bowling gutters, their score has dropped, or a lot of games, they just can't even participate because of what they have seen or what have they experienced with their back. The other teammates, they can come and they can testify as to before and after. Remember I said before, this plaintiff was doing a lot of things with bowling, was strikes and was helping anchor the team, was doing very well. And now this person is not doing that anymore. They can barely bowl, they're bowling gutters. And this witness or this teammate can testify as to specifically what they have seen throughout this process. So this is just one quick example of how family and friends can actually play a role in an injury case. And we call them either before or after witnesses, and the role that they can play when we're talking about a person who has been injured. If you have more questions about what's going on with your situation, maybe you're watching this video right now because you have suffered an injury in the hands of a doctor or a hospital. You've been in a hospital and you've suffered an injury, or maybe your baby has suffered an injury at birth and you have questions relating to all of these things. If you have this going on and you would like to speak with me further, this is what I invite you to do. And remember, it costs you absolutely nothing to take this next action. And what is that action? Pick up the phone and give me a call. I can be reached at 301-850-4832, or if you prefer, you can send me an email to medicalinjury@bostonlawllc.com. I answer Maryland medical malpractice and childbirth injury questions just like yours all the time, and I'll be happy to take some time and listen to your story. All right, that's going to be it for today's quick educational video. Again, I'm Marcus Boston, and I'm one of the childbirth injury and medical malpractice attorneys here at Boston Law Group, LLC. And we will see you next time. Take care and enjoy the rest of your day.